Welcome back, welcome back here on Lightning Storm, Mr. Storm. Never profited on this game, so let's start profiting. Last time I didn't cover the left side. It was a 300x and we missed out on it. Very nice. Very nice. I wanna see this game pay for once. Choose me for once. Okay, number 5. Number 5. Give us a number 5. Number 5. See, that's the number 5. I can see number 5. I can see it's way too fast, isn't it? Unless it stops out of sudden. Number 9? Alright. Alright. We have number 9. We have number 9, dude. Come on. Let's see. Fireball. 200x. Can we have a 200x? Or a 500x? What's this? Was there any multi? 30x? Oh, nice. Nice multi. I would have taken the... Wait, what? Alright, I was like maybe it's like 30x on my bat and it's dropping in again, dude. Imagine. Imagine, buddy. Imagine. I have 500x would have been better. I'm not gonna hide. 12.5. Yo, I was second biggest one. I was second biggest one. So. Okay. Oh, 17. We don't have 17, so. Okay, land some multipliers. Do we have any multis? No, we don't have any multis. Maybe number 5, 9, or 13. Maybe not 13. Maybe 5. Maybe 5. Alright. Everyone lost, that's fine. Maybe. Clover is fine. Clover is fine. Come on, I wanna hit my first big win on a lightning storm. Lightning storm. Number 20, wait a second, come on, dude. Oh no, it's gonna pass it. Imagine the one I picked. That sucks. Wait, number 9. Stop, stop, stop. X5, dude. X5, dude. X5. Fuck. Imagine number 20 though. Imagine, dude. Okay, 100x? Maybe we can get 100x. Okay. We need 100x. Are you fucking kidding me, dude? That's such bullshit, dude. That's such bullshit. That's what we call bullshit, guys. That's what we call bullshit, sirs. That's a bullshit, pal. I want a juicer from my live game. Come on. Come on, sir. Alright. Any multis? Can we get some multis, sir? 0.5x. Be my number. No, it's not. Yeah. I'm glad it's not my number, because I'll be getting baited like crazy. Do I have this? No, I don't have this. Fuck, man. Juice us already, dude. Come on, dude. This fucking game has to juice us already, dude. It's all freaking dead all the time I join this. It's all this. Never juices, man. Just never juices at all. Give us a sign that you paid. Alright, give us those. Give us those. See? Next to each other. 3x preferably. Right in between. Is it gonna go over? Fuck you, bro. Fuck you, bro. Fuck you. Right in between. Nice. Right in between. What a coincidence, dude. What a coincidence. What a coincidence, dude. I'm not gonna lie, dude. Crazy time is down right now. That's the only reason I'm playing this shit. Crazy time is down. That's why I'm playing this fucking shit. once, sir. Pay for once. Come on. We are down fucking bad, dude. We need at least a 30x to be just to be back. We need a 30x. Just to be back. Fireball. 500x, dude. Imagine landing a fucking 500x. What is this? Over to 200x. That's some shitty multi, isn't it? That's some shitty ass multi. 5x, dude. 5x, buddy. 5x. You give us a 5x, dude. Are you fucking broke, dude? You freaking broke, dude. 5x. That's so shameless, dude. That's just so shameless. That's just shameless, dude. Fucking all in, dude. 14 and 19, 100 each. We wanna see 14 or 19. Come on. That was ultra shameless. 19 is what we want to see. We want to see a 19. No, that's too fast. That's a number 2. Oh, it goes over. Alright guys, leave a like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.